Hey everybody, it's Neil, and I got some other Northyard items, so I figured I was going to give this thing a try too and get a shirt. So let's see, I got a large dark blue shirt, so we're going to give this shirt a try and see how it is. It should be like one of those moisture wicking kind of ones. They're good for running or whatnot. So let's see how it looks here. So take this out. So this is what it looks like here. It's got their little logo here inside, and it's got some reflective stuff on it, which is nice. So this is what the shirt kind of looks like. It says it's SPF50, but let's try it on. Okay, so this is it. Probably should have got a medium, being 175 pounds, what I am. But this is what it looks like here. It actually fits pretty good. It's got a nice feel to it. It's definitely made out of that spandexy kind of whatever moisture wicking fabric. So it's pretty nice, pretty comfortable. Definitely moving around a lot in it. Has a lot of space and seems good to me. So it's definitely a nice feeling shirt. Soft, man. Feels nice. I can just wear this every day. Maybe I just get a whole bunch of these and wear them every day. These are nice. So that's what it looks like here. So you can see, still have the tag on it. But very cool. So I like it. So I'm going to say thumbs up from me. Super comfortable. Um, very nice. Be sure to like this video. Subscribe to my channel. Links in the description. And I'll be back with some more reviews soon.